At Eternal Wellness, we're committed to providing advanced, personalized care. I'm Brittany Keys, co-owner and nurse practitioner, and today we'll be speaking about Emfemme 360, a gentle, effective solution for women seeking improvements in vaginal tone, hydration, and bladder control without surgery or downtime. Intimate health is something many women don't talk about, yet it affects so many of our daily lives. If you've noticed changes in dryness, discomfort, or bladder control issues, you're not alone. And you don't have to just live with it. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Emfemme 360, a treatment that's making a difference in the lives of our patients. Emfemme 360 is a non-surgical, FDA-cleared treatment that uses radiofrequency energy to deliver comprehensive vaginal rejuvenation. It addresses concerns like vaginal laxity, dryness, urinary incontinence, and diminished sexual satisfaction. This gentle heat stimulates your body's natural collagen and elastin production, key for tissue firmness, elasticity, and hydration. Over time, this results in improved tone, sensitivity, and overall tissue health. What makes Emfemme 360 truly unique is its smart use of technology. It continuously monitors and adjusts the energy delivery in real time, ensuring precise, customized treatment with minimal discomfort. Each session typically takes under 10 minutes, and there's no downtime, so you can get right back to your day right away. The clinical benefits are impressive. Patients report improved tissue elasticity, enhanced collagen production, and better bladder control. Many also experience increased lubrication and greater overall comfort and confidence. Most clients only experience mild warmth during the treatment, and some notice positive changes after just one session. For optimal results, we usually recommend a series of 2 to 3 sessions spaced about 1 month apart. So who is Emfemme 360 for? This treatment is ideal for women dealing with concerns like vaginal dryness, laxity, or urinary incontinence, whether due to childbirth, aging, or hormonal changes. If you're looking to restore intimate wellness and confidence, Emfemme 360 may be right for you. Before beginning treatment, we'll meet for a thorough consultation to understand your goals, review your health history, and design a personalized treatment plan that meets your needs. Each Emfemme 360 session is quick and comfortable. You'll feel a gentle warmth as the radiofrequency energy works to restore and rejuvenate tissue. No needles, no surgery, and no downtime. Some women notice changes within the first few weeks, like increased lubrication and improved comfort. Full results typically develop over 6 to 8 weeks with enhanced tone and a boost in intimate wellness and confidence. Maintenance sessions every 6 to 12 months can help keep your results going strong. Pricing varies depending on your treatment plan. We'll go over everything during your consultation, including options to pair Emfemme with other treatments, like Emcella, for a more comprehensive approach to pelvic wellness. Why choose Eternal Wellness? We pride ourselves on exceptional care in a warm and welcoming environment. With my expertise and our supportive team, you can feel confident your treatment plan is designed just for you. If you're ready to prioritize your intimate wellness and feel like your most confident self, contact us today to schedule your personalized Emfemme 360 consultation. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video to stay connected with the latest in advanced aesthetic and wellness treatments.